Who forgot Valentine's Day? This guy. So I had to run out here to start a quick little project. Let's get to it. I started this project by drawing out some hearts onto some 15 gauge steel. So once I get them drawn, I'm going to go ahead and cut them out with the plasma cutter. Using the plasma cutter, I cut these pieces out, just tracing them by hand, freehanding it, and just doing it as quick as I can, get these knocked out. You can see that this really saves a lot of time and makes an easy job of cutting out all these hearts. I also cut out a couple of leaves to go with the flower as well. Now that I've got it all cut out, I'm going to use a grinder to get off all the excess mill scale and any slag that's left on the pieces. Now that I have all my parts cleaned up, it's time to start bending them into shape. I use a hammer in the vise with just to adjust each one of these and bend them into shape a little bit, just to kind of give them a little bit more of a natural look. This chisel and a hammer make pretty easy work of going ahead and getting the center bend on these hearts. With a pipe in the vise, I use a hammer to go ahead and round over the ends of the leaves for the flower. Cleaning up this nail that I found to use as the flower stem, I think it'll be pretty good. It's got a nice twist to it. Now it's all down to assembly. I just weld one piece on at a time, and I kind of work my way around the stem until I'm happy with it, bending and welding each piece to make sure that they fit well. Now it's time to add the leaves. Now that I'm finished welding, I think this piece is complete. It's time to clean it up. I found a block of walnut that I'm going to use to make the base for this flower. I think I'm going to turn it into a business card holder. I'll cut some slits in it and drill a hole to hold the flower, but right now I'm going to sand it and get it all cleaned up. Here's how the whole thing looks put together. Now I added a little bit of finish to the block of wood and a little bit of satin clear to the flower just to protect it so it'll last, make it look better. This was a quick and easy project. Ended up making it into a business card holder. The metal flower was just some metal hearts that I had cut and made it into a simple project. Turned out really nice. If
If you're interested in more projects like this, please like and subscribe.